boy.
Did that shoot out
Yeah.
lotion?
It's ready to clean.
It's like
Maybe
me
Miss Ruth did it to me yesterday. All down the right down my face. Sits on the bar and under the sofa. I went like this.
Oh, nice.
Michael.
Ciao.
Good chow.
Good chow.
Whoa.
Look at this one. You know, it might be easier if you got on the ground.
What is that from?
What's in that movie?
Is it?
Anna.
Does he say ka-chow in that movie?
Yeah.
Whoa, let's look.
Ka-chow and ka-chiga, ka-chiga.
Oh, okay. That's what's his name's character?
Lightning McQueen, whichever.
Well, why don't you? Hey, get down off the chair.
What?
There you go.
Mommy, made it. Oh, my reader.
It took us all that effort to do that.
No, there's something else in there.
Cars.
Oh, boy.
He's gonna have cars all over.
There you go.
Whoa.
He's gonna have cars on top
And
of
where
it.
is Bray?
Oh, no. Look at
Look at that. Whoa, wait.
Everybody look.
Look.
this.
It's a play
Play
rug.
rug.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and a poster. Is that a poster
Yeah, they
for
used
your
to have those
room?
in NASCAR.
Whoa. My clothes. My clothes. It's my
Oh, look
clothes.
at that.
My clothes.
Whoa, clothes. Oh, Mommy, where? I had a queen shirt.
Oh, boy.
I had a queen.
Let me see, Joseph.
Show mommy so she
Let
can
me
read
see
it.
the shirt.
Good. You can round it up. There you go.
Look at mommy. Well, you look down. Will you quit looking down?
Yeah, I wish
Hey,
I could
look at
get
mommy.
rid of that
The
delay on that
cheese.
stupid thing.
Thank you. Jeez.
That's the worst thing.
My car.
There's-
I opened it.
Hey, look. What's
What you
that? Is that Superman?
Yes, Superman. I opened it.
Well, hold on. Let's
You
get
want the
ready.
rest of your presents?
There's more.
Hey, look. It's moving eyes.
His eyes, their eyes move.
Yes, it's moving.
Do you
Yeah,
want
that's
some
partly
more?
a tribute to you,
I'm
Randy.
down.
Do you want?
I saw that.
Do you want more presents?
So we can carry stuff around
That's
his back.
not
Well, that's good because I don't like the little pink candles that we got
And I already moved
yesterday.
everything over to the pink candle bag just to see if Randy would notice.
Yes, we noticed it this morning.
Jenny, he wants more presents.
Whoa.
Brian, why don't you hand him the blue one right
Okay,
there?
you want more presents?
Yeah, that
Hi, buddy.
was-
We'll go take that to open it.
He wants to
Oh,
choose
mine.
which one.
Well, I know, but
Mayor, run out the spring.
Oh,
He said Menders Radiator Springs.
my very first Radiator Springs.
Whoa.
Open it up, sweetie.
well, he's getting in his
Oh,
spot.
he needs to get up there to open it.
No, he's
No.
not bars.
Whoa, I
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hey,
Joseph.
Look, let's
What's
see.
that?
What's in here? What's in there? What is that?
That's cars. It's really spray.
Which way is it?
It's really
Yeah.
spray.
Look, turn it over this way. Look.
Who's that from?
Who's that from?
now.
It's really cars.
Jenny.
Rescue Squad Vader.
Whoa. Wait, cars.
Oh, boy.
I got that.
Oh, I like that mess
Oh,
for you.
boy.
Okay.
Three cars. Why?
Oh, it's colors. You get to color.
Yes.
Mess free.
Is that
Those are
from
the good ones.
I saw that.
Is that right, darling?
And I opened it.
Uncle Brian, well,
You have another
Look.
present, Joe.
look,
This present.
that's from Jared.
Slow down there, Speedy.
No,
Don't have to worry about him
it's
tonight.
really, it's this.
It's Biz.
He knows that?
This I did it.
Yeah.
Oh, those are
Yeah.
from Jared?
That'd be the hardest thing
Oh,
getting him in bed.
cool. It's
Yeah.
Woody and Buzz.
He knows Buzz Lightyear now.
Oh,
Talking about,
Joseph,
talking about taking you to see that since it's up here at the movie theater.
Oh.
Joseph. Here.
Say it's my
Oh, you got
birthday.
that.
My birthday.
I know.
Oh, my
beach towel.
It's a towel for the pool.
Whoa.
Who else is on there?
That's it.
What?
It's a towel.
Oh, look at
Hey,
that.
What? Who is that?
It's Lightning and Raider.
Yeah.
Lightning and Mater.
Whoa.
You just got all kinds
Is there
of
more?
everywhere.
I think he's got enough
Hey,
cars and Toy Story stuff now to last him a little.
yeah.
Look, he's like, where did he get? Where did he get?
Joseph, say happy birthday. Don't pick your nose on camera, dude.
Raider.
This is on YouTube.
Raider.
Joseph, say it's my birthday.
Say hi, Brian.
Hi. What's that?
I enjoy it.
I want to see it.
I want to see what's on your phone.
Oh, it's a video of you.